Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon to all my fellow friends and my beloved lecturer. Today, me, Norfatin binti Abdul Rahim, and my partner, Amira Anissa binti Tajul Aurus, will be presenting a topic called nutrients. So, what is nutrient? Nutrient is a chemical substance that will help our inner body, and they will some of the nutrients can help to build cells and tissues that regulate our bodily processes such as breathing. And not all food can supply all the vitamins at the same time, means that you have to eat a lot of types of food so that your body can have many types of nutrients. So nutrients have 6 types, which is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, water and minerals. So let's see one by one. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen and the oxygen atoms. Carbohydrate is organic compounds occurring in food and living tissues. Sugar, starch and cellulose is actually including in carbohydrate. There is 2 types of carbohydrate, soluble carbohydrate and insoluble carbohydrate. Soluble carbohydrates can lower our blood cholesterol and control blood sugar level while providing very little energy. For example, fruits, leguminous nuts, seeds and so on. While insoluble carbohydrates, for example, wheat and corn brands, they doesn't provide any calories. So benefit of carbohydrates, they will provide the body with glucose, which is later can convert it into energy, so that they can support your bodily functions and physical activities. They also can help in prevent blood sugar in fluctuation, and it will certainly promote good health. The second types of nutrient is protein. Protein is a complex and specialized molecules which is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and the nitrogen. The building block of protein is amino acids. So main function of protein is to heal wounds, prevent fight infections and build muscle. So protein is responsible for multiple functions in our body, which is making hormones and antibodies. They also can manage your weight by filling you up, stabilize blood sugar levels and slow aging and promote longevity. So this is the example of proteins: meat, fish, chicken, eggs, dry beans and dairy products. So the third types of nutrient is fat. Fat have 2 types, which is saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Saturated fat can be found in animal-based foods such as meat and milk products. Unsaturated fat is vegetable oils. So fats can maintain skin and hair, cushion vital our organ, and is necessary for the production and absorption of certain vitamins and hormones. Nutrition guidelines state that Canadians should include no more than 30% of energy calories as fat and no more than 10% of energy as unsaturated fat. So, Anissa, would you like to continue the presentation?
Of course.
Yeah.
So hi, my name is Amira Anissa binti Tajul Aurus and my matching number is 189260. So I will continue the topic, which is vitamins. Vitamins helps to regulate chemical reactions in the body. There are a few types of vitamin, which is vitamins A, vitamins B, C, D, E and K. And then vitamins cannot produce in our body, which is we need to obtain from the other kind of foods or diet. Vitamins also are the best consumed through a varied diet rather than as a supplement, because in a supplement they did not produce energy. So we proceed to the next kind of nutrient, which is minerals. Minerals are components of foods that are involved in many body functions. For instance, calcium and magnesium are important for bone structure. Other than that, iron is needed for our red blood cells to transport oxygen. And then we proceed to the next nutrient, which is water. Water is the most of our body weight, consists, which is 60 to 70%. And then the benefits of water is water helps to control our body temperature, and then carries nutrients and waste products from our cells, and it is important for our cells to function. It is recommended that adults need to drink 8 glasses each day during physical activity or in a hot weather. So water is we can obtain water from not only in water, but it can obtain from juice, milk, soup and fruits, because they are high in water, such as fruits and vegetables. Other than that, we need to avoid from take caffeine, because caffeine containing beverages, which is coffee, tea and cola, and it make us lose water. A great plus for water in comparison to the other fluid is that it hydrates our body without extra calories. So in a nutshell, we need nutrient in our body, in our daily life. So because nutrient is have a bigger impact in our body, which is the nutrient can fight disease, can produce more energy, can produce body cells and tissues. So to increase our nutrients in our body, we can follow the pyramid table to have a easy and correct way to get the nutrient. Thank you.